Hi and welcome to a new studio vlog. My name is Johanna and I'm an illustrator and pattern designer for the stationery and washi tape brand Willwa. Today is the 2nd of June. It's a Thursday, which is a packing day. I'm just filming this before I go up and package some orders that we got. We got quite a lot. We got 10 orders on Etsy and 2 wholesale orders that I'm gonna pack up. But I'm thinking that instead of having it in this vlog, I might do a separate one since I have quite many clips and I don't want to put them in a vlog because as soon as you put too many packing clips, it gets like really long, and I rather put clips when I'm creating and maybe talking about the process. I didn't really do it for April. And I don't know what I have for May because I'm still like editing it. So I'm hoping for June I will be a little bit more in front of the camera than instead of behind it, because I have a lot on my mind, especially we had some issues with production, and as soon as you have like one problem, it feels like it just attracts more difficulties and that you have to deal with, and it takes a lot of energy. I was planning on talking about it later, but just a hint about what will come. I'm probably gonna put a little bit of packing in this video, not a lot, so if you're interested about the packing video, please let me know. I might actually put it before this video, so we will see. But I also planning on designing, like hopefully finishing the design for our winter collection. I cannot say because the plan was to finish it last month and I barely scratched the surface on it. I was very unmotivated to do anything creative. So what I have to focus on today is finishing all the orders. I think it's gonna take some time, especially because it's a wholesale order. So I don't have so much other things planned. I might try to take a picture for the thumbnail for April's vlog, because I wasn't on camera in the vlog, like barely any clips of me talking. So I have to take a picture of me like holding up the stamps and the stickers that we just released in April. I thought that would be nice to have as a thumbnail because that's what the whole video is about, stamps basically, because they arrived and I tried them out and I did the packaging in the vlog. So, and I really want to take the picture because I just showered yesterday, so my hair is still pretty nice. I'm gonna start packing and I will talk to you later. I finally got my hands on the right one. I got it for my birthday present, but they only had the big one, which I didn't know it was two sizes, so we mounted it, and then it was like this high, so it couldn't go in under my desk. So we had to return it, and then it didn't arrive until June. But now it's here, and I have already started filling it up with some planner stickers, pencil cases, some papers, and other like bits that I had spread out in the room. So now it's all gathered in one place, and I still have one shelf left, which I haven't decided what to put on because I want to see how I use it first. But it's very nice to have it and to be able to move it around. I would like to have another color, but they only had white or black, and I thought, I mean, I have a white desk, so it's nicer to have the same color. Ooh, new order. That's nice. I haven't had so many orders this week, so it's always nice when you look at your email and you see that you got a pretty big one. And people are starting to buy Christmas and holiday washi tapes, which is fun. Oh, it's fun when they do it in the summer. I actually had someone buy it in the spring, so I guess summer is more normal. Anyway, good morning. Today is Friday the 17th of June. I'm gonna try to finish the washi tape pattern that I have been working on for so long. I don't know what has been happening with me. I've been very unmotivated to create at all. Like I haven't done basically anything. So I think I have gotten pretty far though. I think it was 2 vlogs ago that I made, I showed you when I painted some windows. Let's see here. So I think we were painting these stockings together, and I have finished the tree and all the windows. I have these birds left, which I might move, we will see, because this is how I work. I have done a sketch, but then I realized, oh, I don't want it in this place, but I still draw it because I have the sketch already made in that position. So this is the window I draw. Was it yesterday? No, the day before yesterday. So it's a girl hanging up some Christmas baubles, and we have a nativity, what's it called that? Anyway, it's a Jesus, baby Jesus, and Maria and Joseph, and some cute animals, and this is sheep turned out so cute. And I love this this cow. I'm very happy with it. She turned out very nice. I'm not the best at drawing people, but I think she's very cute. And of course I made her red hair. It's very hard not to when you yourself have red hair. It comes very natural, so I hope you don't mind. I mean, she's a little bit more red brown, so maybe it's fine. So for now I have the birds left to fix the snow, because I don't really like that it's so, you know, not, it should be more smooth, I think. So that I have to do, and I'm thinking, because I made these skis, I'm gonna change the color because they didn't really fit, but if I should do like this old-time sledge, is it called sledge? You know, for children. So it has this like metal bars in the bottom, and then like a wooden seat. I haven't decided yet, so I'm probably not gonna finish today because it's already almost lunchtime, and I'm very slow at drawing. But I will try my best. I might film a little bit, but I have already drawn almost everything, so probably gonna take you along when I draw the birds, and I hope that I will be able to finish at least the things that are going to Taiwan, because when we order washi tape in Taiwan, we always do a test print, and that takes like 1 extra month to get it, and to if you need to change anything, it could take even longer, because since we have the possibilities and it's not super expensive, so it always feels more safe for me to do it, because their green is always a little bit off. So every time I have a green pattern, I need to double check. But this one doesn't have that much green. It's only like the Christmas trees. So this is what I'm gonna work on today to try to finish the patterns. I also have started to doing sticker sheet to have like these windows as a single sticker, and then of course I had to add some decorations in the bottom. They're not finished yet, but I think it's quite a fun idea. My mother said she really liked it, so I hope that you guys will do too. I thought this one turned out pretty cute, so I was thinking if I should actually copy this one and so that they are similar. I usually don't like it when they're exactly the same, so I might try to sketch it out, and we will see if I can manage to create another one that I'm happy with. So as you can see, it loses the quality very fast, so I usually try to redraw it when I have the how I want it to look like. So I might change this bird again, we will see. I cannot decide if I'm happy with this. I think the body looks a bit weird. So I might try a little bit more. I don't know. Now it feels like he doesn't have a neck. This one is so cute, but I think it's because he's like in this shape and this should be a little bit more straight. Maybe it's fine. I will think about it. So we reached the end of this vlog. I'm not 100% sure yet what I have filmed because I haven't had time to edit it yet. I hope to be able to finish it before my vacation. I have to start working on editing it to be able to schedule it. So I have something to watch during my vacation. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you in the next one. See you guys. Bye.